Hello, good day viewers. You are highly welcome. Into this tutorial, we're going to be solving this problem here. We have a plus b over a minus b equals 7. Then what is the value of 2 into bracket a plus b over a minus b minus a minus b over 3 into bracket a plus b. So now I'm going to start from here. Okay, so let me have a plus b over a minus b equals 7. Then I can take the reciprocal of both sides of this equation. So if I take the reciprocal, okay, so you know that this 7 is same thing as over 1 here, so I should write it in terms of fraction 2. So now from here, if I should take the reciprocal of both sides of the equation, that is 1 over a plus b over a minus b equals 1 over 7 over 1. So now this 1 here is like you want to take the reciprocal of this. So now taking the reciprocal of this, so this will go up, 7 will come down, a minus b will go up, a plus b will come down. That is, they are going to be flipped. So therefore we have what we have, everything here to be a minus b over a plus b. Are you getting it now? Which is equals 1 will go up, then we have 7 down. So now when you look at this, this is like equation 1 and we have this equation 2 here. So we are going to be using it in substitution. So here, now let's now go to this place here. So now we have 2 into bracket. We can write this as a plus b over a minus b, then minus, so 1 over 3 into bracket a minus b over a plus b, right? So now we can see that here a plus b over a minus b is what we have up here, which is equation 1, which is same thing as 7. So we have 2 into bracket 7 minus 1 over 3 into bracket, then a minus b over a plus b is what we have here, a minus b over a plus b, which is 2, and we have it to be 1 over 7. So we have it like this. So therefore we are going to have 2 times 7, that will be 14, minus, we're going to have 14 minus 1 over 1 over 21. So now from here, what are we going to do? Now here I can rewrite this equation by splitting this 14 into 13 plus 1 minus 1 over 21. I get it now. So now from here, because we are having 21 here, I can rewrite this 1 in terms of, 1 can be 21 over 21 because of this denominator here. So therefore I can have 13 plus 21 over 21, which is this one here, minus 1 over 21, right? So now from here I can now have 13 plus, since we are having the same denominator, 21, then 21 minus 1. Okay, so lastly you're going to have 13 whole number. So 21 minus 1, that is 20 over what? Over 21. So therefore we have the solution to be this, 13 whole number, 20 over 21 is the solution to this problem. So if you find this class very interesting, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you have not done that before. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload the new content. Then also don't forget to share this class to your colleagues. Take care. Bye bye.